Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making cheesy spicy Mexican style beef stew. Everything you need is right here and the full ingredients list is waiting in the description below. First, finely dice the onions. You can use a knife or your favorite kitchen gadget if you want to save yourselves from onion tears today. Melt a tablespoon of lard in a deep pan. And cook the onions until lightly golden. Right near the end, add a little caraway seeds for extra flavor. Simple ingredients, but the smell already starts doing dangerous things to your appetite. Now add the meat, cut into evenly sized cubes. Cook it on high heat and let it brown nicely from all sides. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. It's always safer to start with less because adding more later is easy, but fixing over-salted food not so much. Now add paprika. And chili powder, depending on how spicy you like it. Mix everything together and cook for another couple of minutes so all those flavors come together. Add a little water, mix, cover with a lid and let everything simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the meat becomes tender and juicy. While the meat cooks, slice the red bell peppers into thin strips. Once the meat is nice and soft, add the sliced bell pepper. Mix a little. Now add a little marjoram. Next, grate the garlic straight into the pan. And finally, add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Give everything a really good mix and let it slowly cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. The sauce gets rich, thick and honestly smells absolutely amazing at this point. Finally, add the peas and let them cook for just a few more minutes. And that's it. We serve ours with rice, but honestly this would also taste amazing with potatoes or any side dish you love. Finish it with shredded cheese. And fresh spring onion on top. And now, try not to eat the whole pan in one sitting. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Simply Food Recipes and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next homemade recipes.